let's review my stationery collection. Hey guys, it's Minori, and today I want to share my pencil case collection. These are nostalgic Japanese pencil cases for the 1970s. I'm so sad that they don't make these anymore. Oh, but before anything, let me show you what a pencil case used to look like back in the 1950s. Ta-da! I know, it looks so vintage. So here's a pencil, a pen. I can't believe they actually used to use these at school. And scissors. Ugh. To be honest, these are not my favorite scissors. And this pencil case, it feels really light and kind of plasticky, but apparently they're so flammable. So let's keep in mind that this is what we started with in the 1950s. And 20 years later, the functional pencil cases were created. Okay, a little fact about these pencil cases. I can't find the exact date or the exact source, but these functional pencil cases most likely started in Japan from around the 1970s. After a few years, it went worldwide, and now you can find these in many stores outside of Japan. The thing is, Japan decided to discontinue these products from around the 2000s. Why? Because they were probably a nuisance during class, which is totally understandable. Like, I'm sure teacher hates these. Please comment below if you're a teacher and if you can support this fact. I mean, I would hate it if I were a teacher. So yeah, sadly, these are discontinued, so we can't find new ones anymore in the market. So that's why I love collecting them. Okay, so which one should I start from? So I feel like there's like a category. Like these ones. These ones over on this right side, these ones are the popular functional pencil cases with buttons. And these ones on the left side are like transformers. They kind of change shape. And lastly, these ones on the very left are unique on their own way. So we've got like 3 categories. Okay, let's start off with the transformers. First one! I'm really excited about this one because I actually got this yesterday. So it says 5-door with a revolver. What does that mean? Let's check out all the compartments. So this is compartment number 1. The pencil room. Classic. And over on this side, we got a scissors room and a pen room. That's such a cute room. I guess there's a separate room just for your pen. And scissors. Oh, I guess you need like pretty small scissors. Flip it over. I need to point this out. The art is so cute. Their eyes are so glittery. Anyways, this is the 3rd compartment. Oh, it's really shallow. I guess you can only fit rulers inside here. And over on this side, we've got a card corner, and that's it. And this is what makes this pencil case unique. This part is actually also a compartment. Ta-da! Isn't that so interesting? If you look at it from the side, you can see, but there's 4 places to put your pencils. Is this gonna fit? I don't think it's gonna fit. Maybe like colored pencils? I don't think it's gonna fit. Well then, I guess you need really skinny pencils. But you could technically store your pencils right here. And you know how this pencil case is so flat? You could actually fold it into a smaller pencil case. So there's several ways to use this pencil case. I'm so happy to add this into my collection. And next, these are also kind of similar to the one that I just showed you. Ooh, this one's got 6 pockets. So compartment number 1, a place for your eraser, and a place for your pencils. Oh, am I holding it the wrong way? I guess. So right side up, flip it over, and over on this side, we have a space for rulers. And compartment number 4, can I fit my lead? Yes I can. And like I said, there's 6 pockets, so you could actually open it right in the center. So this is space number 5 and 6. I mean, it is really shallow though. This is like kind of a mixture of the last 2. So it opens right here, compartment number 1, a little space for your rulers. Oh wait, it doesn't fit. I don't know, maybe there's like a skinnier one. And a compartment right here for your erasers, for your pencils, another compartment right here. And you can also open it right in the center. Ooh, so this one's got 7 spaces. So the 5th space, let's do the scissors test. Perfect. Let's check out this one. You can kind of see that the person before me actually kind of used it. But wait, there's more. There's actually another compartment right in the center. And you can open right here. Can I fit my rocket pencil? Kind of? No? And I guess that's it for this one. Again, you can open it like this and close it and use it as a smaller pencil case. And on to the next ones. These ones are quite simple. For example, this one, you can open right here. You can also open this pencil case from this side. So if you look at it from the side, it kind of opens up like in a Z. And next, this one, I'm not too sure if it fits in this category, but I just had to throw it in here. So there's an eraser holder, Flip it over, and a very shallow space for your rulers. And lastly, this one's got a pencil sharpener right here. And if you want to close it, you just push it back in. And the last pencil case from this category. Why open it like this if you can open it like this? So there's basically a slide for each door, like this. By the way, I personally love it when you can make the pencil cases flat. It's just easier to carry that way. And you can just slide it in your bag. So I guess that's it from the Transformers category. So I get a lot of questions. Where do you buy these? If they're not selling on the market anymore, where do I buy these? I basically buy these at thrift stores or online. But I basically bought like all of them, so I literally can't find them anymore. So yeah, hopefully I can still find more new ones, but it is becoming a little bit hard. Okay, let's move on. So these pencil cases are just very different. Let's start with Hello Kitty. So first, because it's a pencil case, there's obviously some space to put your pencils. You could put in a lot of pencils, which is very nice because it's not the same for the other ones. Oh, and by the way, it's also got a compartment right here. I would put like memo pads and like stickers right here. And lastly, what makes this pencil case unique is this game right here. Ta-da! It's got a date game. So we have like this arrow thing right here. And make it stand like so. And if you look right here, we've got a mini dice. And you spin this to roll the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you go all the way right here, it says, I held my boyfriend's hand for the first time. Jump to the orange heart. It's just so cute. Next up, we've got Magical House. Let's see what's so magical about this one. If you open the back, ta-da! There's a mini house inside of this pencil case. What? You could build it yourself. So you can lift this up, the chimney, fold it in, there we have a house. You can also flip this side right here. I remember it came like this. There's a fence right here, and there's the front porch. I'm not too sure why you can lift this part up, but yes, you can play house with your pencil case. I also love how it has a background. The inside of the house looks something like this. Like I said, it's very different and unique. And guys, onto our last category. These are the functional pencil cases that I think everyone loves. This one is definitely one of my favorites. Let's start from the very left. Eraser. I mean, it's quite tight. You can only fit small erasers like this. And next, pencils. I guess it is easier to take out your pencils. And next, scale and clips. Oh, it comes with a ruler. And there's like a small place for your clips. And next, checkboard. Ooh, this says textbooks, notebooks, pencil and pen, homeworks, and you can slide this to say no or okay. Pencil and pens, okay. Homeworks, no. And next, lens. It's a magnifying glass. And lastly, pencil sharpener. Can you take this out? Oops. Yes, you can. So it'll be really easy to throw away any dust. And that's all the buttons. To the next one. Oh, I cannot forget about this pencil case. Just a story time, guys, but if you look at my thumb, I have a pencil mark right here. And that's because of this pencil case. Like, I had a pencil out like this, sharpened, and I pressed it at the wrong time. So you need to be very careful when you're playing with this. Next button. Oh, see, like, that's probably how I did it. You know, things shoot out from like unexpected places. Okay, so this one. Over here, we've got like 3 magnifying glasses and like a mood ring. You hold it with your thumb for 10 counts. The reveal, I guess I'm calm. And the next button, a thermometer. Yellow button, oh, the eraser. And lastly, the pencil sharpener. And that's all the functions. Next one, the Disney pencil case. The green button does nothing. I'm guessing it's for this eraser compartment though. A lot of these pencil cases are kind of broken. And next, the red button. You can change the date by using this thing right here. And the yellow button, again, does nothing. But I'm guessing it's the pencil sharpener. And the purple button, it's like this hidden compartment right here. But to be honest, I don't know what you could do with this space, because it's just so small. Nope, it's not gonna fit. Maybe like small messages and like those really small erasers. You know, sometimes it just doesn't really mean anything. And the last button, the orange button, it shoots out from the bottom. I guess you could use it as like a pencil stand. Some of these functions are questionable. this one is really easy. There's a button right here. Oh, this is a pretty nice sized tray. Can we fit scissors here? Yes! I like how there's a hole right here so you can press this button even if it's closed or open. And this one, I actually got this one a few days ago, so it's my first time seeing this as well. We've got the pencil compartment and the back. Oh, I see. So these buttons are for your pencils. It kind of lifts them up. And this right here, apparently it could change the sharpness of your pencils. Like if you want to make it thick or thin. Okay, let me try. Oh, there is a difference. This one is definitely sharper than this one. Welcome to my collection. And the next one. This one's only got 3 buttons. Oh, I see. It opens up. And 2. And guys, it actually says that you can put your rulers in here. Like this. So the third one. Oh, we have a tray. It's an extra space for your scissors. Let's do the scissors test. Does it fit? Kind of? Kind of. I think I shoved it in there. So 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, we're almost done. We've got like 3 more. Blue one. Does not work. Yellow. Oh, this is so cute. We've got like a small tray. Red. And lastly, the green. It opens. Oh, so I'm guessing this blue one is for the eraser. I bet it's supposed to like pop out. And it does say that there's extra space right here beneath the tray. Next, this one is actually my favorite out of all. It's the same exact one, but this one was sold in Japan and this was sold in Germany. You get to twist the dial and press in the center. If we turn it all the way to the left, we have a pencil sharpener. And the second one, memo pad. It's got this like rubbery thing on the back, so if you press it down, you're supposed to be able to write down notes. The lid. And guys, there's even more gimmicks inside. We've got a built-in ruler, and you can actually press this button right here. You need to be very careful, but basically, it shoots right out. Okay, the next one is eraser. Oh, there it is. Tray scaring me the most. A nice big tray, and lastly, temperature. Oh, and I almost forgot. There's one more compartment right here. Hands down the most gimmicky, coolest one ever. And this one is exactly the same pencil case. It's got English instead of Japanese. And this memo pad, they changed it to paper. Other than that, everything else is the same. And guys, finally the last one. So here's some space for your pencils. The fun part and the gimmicks all right here. So first we've got a calendar, and you can change the date by pressing these buttons. And next, we've got a recipe on how to bake cookies. 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of sugar, and 200 grams of flour. I mean, yeah, it could work. It's so fun. This is a reminder for you guys. Did you guys wash your face? Did you brush your teeth? Are your nails short? It's a great reminder, guys. And lastly, if you look right here, it's really small, but we have an hourglass. If you turn this, it tells you the temperature, and I think that's all the gimmicks we have for now. And guys, this is my pencil case collection. I know these are called functional pencil cases, but let's be real, they're not really functional. Like, do you really need these gimmicks? Probably not. But you know, it's so fun. It brings me joy. And I think that's really, really important in anything in life. It's creative, it's unique, it has a charm, it's just fun. I love it. I feel like these pencil cases remind me to be creative and to not forget the child inside of me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye!